Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Milestone Study. My name is Anjida and in this video we are going to talk about Retell lecture. Retell lecture is one of the questions in speaking module in PTE. In this question, you will listen to an audio and retell the things that you've heard for 40 seconds. In this video, I will tell you how you can do Retell lecture to get a perfect 90 out of 90 using a very simple strategy. Now, definitely I'm going to use a template here. We are going to listen to an audio, make some notes. To make some notes, I already have pen and paper here, so I'll make some notes here. In the exam, you'll be given 2 markers and laminated sheets so that you can make notes too. So without any further delay, let's get started.
Historically, women have been underrepresented in STEM subjects, that is, studies in the fields of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. These remain areas offering successful graduates attractive career prospects in the globalized market, as they are prestigious and often have high-level entry salaries. If we look at science and engineering, here we see the number of women being encouraged to enter these fields, maintaining a steady growth with figures for female graduates remaining consistent. So, while some areas are hitting the target set, this is still not the case in technology. And while companies may voice the desire to address the gender imbalance, the reality is that there is still an insufficient number of qualified women to take up positions both in management and as software developers to level the playing field.
All right, so I got the notes here. Now we're going to start Retell lecture in 3, 2, 1. Let's start. The audio was mainly about women's subjects and science, and also about technology graduates and prospect, and also about case companies and gender, and also about prestigious salaries and encouraged, and also about growth, consistent, and target. I think that's enough. Thank you so much. So you see, that's very easy. You only have to take 15 words from the audio and put it in the template and speak for just about 12 to 13 seconds to get a perfect 90 out of 90. How about we do another audio? Let's do another audio.
One of the main aims of the agricultural robots, or agrobots as they're better known, is to monitor the growth and development of plants and crops. As there are 3 of them that currently work in a team of bots, one of them does this, and the other 2 focus on seeding and fertilizing plants, also known as microdosing, and weeding out any unwanted growth to enhance the crop yield. It is hoped that the bots will soon be trialled on other farms and areas of land once they are fully developed. They are electronically powered and use artificial intelligence to cultivate large areas of land more efficiently than it would be if it was done by hand. As the bots run autonomously, they can do their job much faster than is physically possible for a human.
That was the second audio. Now let's start. The audio was mainly about main aims and better, and also about growth plants and crops, and also about boats too and fertilizing, and also about unwanted hope and farms, and also about developed artificial and land. I think that's enough. Thank you so much. Okay, and that's it. If you do this, then you'll get perfect 90 out of 90, or I can say full marks in Retell lecture. I think we should do one more, and then we'll check. Okay, we'll do the same thing. I'll play an audio, then you guys can also make notes with me. I think, play it now.
Mars is an obvious first choice for space exploration. It's the planet closest to Earth, and there are already plans to take a mission with a human crew there in the near future. While sending a human to Mars would mean the realization of the dreams of several generations, there are more sensible scientific reasons why it's worth exploring the red planet. It may help us to understand our own history. We know that in the past, Mars was covered in water, and that it has, over time, experienced huge climate change. So there is something for us to learn there. Mars may also be able to give us new insights into some of the biggest challenges that we face, such as how to use solar energy or recycle and produce food in the most efficient way possible. Any visit to Mars will require the astronauts to take their supplies with them, and the methods they create for doing that may end up being more useful than the actual rocks and minerals they find on Mars.
That was the third audio. Let's start. The audio was mainly about Mars first and space, and also about closest human and future, and also about realization, generation, and worth, and also about red planet, history, and water, and also about insight, solar energy, and food. I think that's enough. Thank you so much. Okay, so I hope this was of help. If you do it this same way, if you maintain a good fluency, your pronunciations are right, and you're clear with your words, then there's no way that you'll not get good marks in speaking. For more updates, tips, and strategies, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also give a like to this video. If you have any suggestion, any feedback, you can put them in the comment section down. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.